Annyeonghaseyo, honey, and mother of honey. So today, there is someone who helped you for your medication. So you are going to receive 10,000 for your medication. So mother, please give me the list of the medicine that you're going to buy, because we are going to put it in a ledger. So please receive. Can you please count if it is 10,000?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10,000. So that will be for the medication of honey. So since honey has a fever, chickenpox, cough, and also you have scar on your knee, right? So you have to buy medicine for you to heal and to go back to the study room. And also he gives you 3,000 that is worth of fruits and groceries, healthy foods. So we have here Yakult, bread with spread there, and Choco, milk. We also have here spaghetti, Milo, Energen, Stick O for snack, and also milk, Burr brand. And we have your hot dog, fudgy bar, cupcake, Hansel for your snack. And also he gives you 5 boxes of choco pies, and also the spaghetti there. And this is worth of 3,000 all. The fruit worth of 1,000, and the groceries, healthy food worth of 2,000. And that is from Kim Yong-sunim.
Kim Yong-sunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Dako kay kong pasalamat labi na sa financial, labi na ani dili jud ako magkaya og palit kung kami lang. Kung kami lang dili jud ako magkaya og palit kina ilabinan ako mi college. Dako kay kong pasalamat sa bugas, financial. Kay ang among sweldo may nalang ibayad sa eskwelahan sa college. Dako kay kong pasalamat ilabinan ni Teacher Jin. Salamat kay Teacher Jin.
And also Kim Yong-sunim and the channel.
Kaya nga mong income, igor, dako pagay ko ano ang kuwan ng college. Dako kayo pasalamat.
Okay, so honey, you study hard lang ga ha. So get well soon. Hoping that you can go back to the study room after you healed from your chickenpox. So please study hard so that you will be succeeded someday. Okay? And be a good daughter always. Okay? So honey, fighting! So are you happy? So you mentioned earlier that this is the first time that you're going to eat mangosteen, right? You don't know what it is? So this is a mangosteen. So this is a very healthy fruit. So you must eat this one, okay? So what else? What other fruits? Yes, that you haven't tasted. Oh, pear. So this is just like a white apple. Yeah. This is like a white apple. So this is a pear. Yes. So you eat all of that ha? And also share it to your family.
Thank you kaayo. Thank you.
Kim Yong-sunim.
Kim Yong-sunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Daghan kay salamat. Grabe dako kay ko pasalamat.
How about you, honey? What can you say to Kim Yong-sunim? Thank you, Kim Yong-sunim. Thank you so much. Kamsahamnida. Okay, get well soon and stay healthy, okay? Be a good girl always. Study hard. Okay? Okay. So, thank you, kaayo mother. Kamsahamnida. And also, we would like to update about the eye of honey. So, there is a redness in her eyes. So he will also have it check up. So you have money no for check up and for medication. So buy medicine so that it will not scatter on your eyes. Ha? So how about your chicken pox? Nanakan po?
Wala.
Still, oh.
Ang likod.
The chicken pox is still
Nasa
spreading. So
Haban.
also take medication.
Uy, tutoy. Hadlok siya mukita yung tutoy.
Ayaw lang. Yes.
Napo, nagturok na oh. Dala.
And more is coming, no?
Mm.
So take meds lang, ha? And also your fever and your cough. So get well soon, honey.
So, annyeonghaseyo. Good evening, everyone. So, good evening, mga dear parents. So, kabalo na mo, asa dado ninyo mga anak ugma. Kabalo mo. So, ang inyong mga anak ugma is maligo og resort, swimming pool.
Asam na yung kaligo.
Sa Cordoba na siya, Kuya Aguila Resort.
Swimming pool, dagat.
Swimming pool.
Karon, kanang sadak ko na.
Di, sa mga bata.
Mga bata, mga bata. Oh, na, kuyog mo.
Kuyog mga teachers. O, kuyog ang teachers niya na ako'y kuyog duha ka volunteer pod nga mutabang nako bantay. Ang usa nga mo bantay is si Ate Dindin, ang usa kay si Rolanda. Si Rolanda is napilian na siya sa sponsor pod nga nag-sponsor diri na.
Sunod mo gawin.
So upat mi kabuak mag-watcher ana ugma.
Inyo dyan ang ano.
So, ang ako rang gikuan.
Bata dito. Dagko.
So ang akong gikuan is kung musugot mo inyong anak ay padala sa mua. So we need to sign a waiver consent sa parents. Kung dili mo mo perma sa kanang parents consent, so ibig sabihin dili mo for sure mo pugos og dala sa inyong mga anak.
Di, kami magpupirma mo ko. Ang nga po ba nga tuluan niya sa mga bata.
Di wala may pangkuan.
Ha?
Dili man iano kung mga bata ang gikuan sa pakaligoon is mga ato rin gisal sa mga bata. Naman pud sila kanang naman sila kanang murag sila magbantay gid sa mga kuan gid para sa mga dagko.
Gusto mo rin na ito kuyog. Balik mo mag
So okay. Okay na? Ready na ta nga mo perma? So, okay.
Pirma day ko day nga mo kuyog mo sila.
Perma gyapon. Chito. Ari lang. Perma yan, tulo lang. Kainit. Sa libreng padanan. Libreng padanan.
Ganina na ka? Mag-uwi ko muna, di ba? Mag-uwi ko ganina. Kasi kayo sila binagano.
Yan ano?